How's it going, everyone? Connor Lane with Bobcat, New Hampshire, Cape Cod, and South Shore, back for another edition of Walk Around Wednesday. And for this Wednesday, we're going to be going over two of our most popular tractor implements. That is going to be our front-mounted brush grapple and our backhoe for our compact tractors. A big thank you to Richard Wheaton, as he's the one who purchased this setup and is allowing us to do the walk around with these two implements. So without further ado, we're going to go over what we offer and the operation of both these. Let's start with the backhoe. All right, guys, so starting off with our backhoe attachment, we do have 4 different size backhoes, anything from our 10 series to our 55 series tractors. We have a backhoe that covers you there. All of our backhoes do come standard with a 13-inch bucket, and they do have the optional mechanical thumb. All the backhoes are also quick disconnects, so with 3 hydraulic lines and 2 pins, you can take your backhoe on and off if you want to run some other 3-point implements. For showing purposes, this is the BH76 backhoe. Goes on all of our 2 series frame size tractors. With the BH76, you do get 7.5 feet of dig depth and over 10 feet of reach with this backhoe here. So without further ado, let's cut over to the tractor and show you how to start and operate this backhoe. All right, guys, so in terms of operation of the backhoe, it's super simple. First thing you're going to want to do is fire up your tractor. The second thing you want to do is make sure that your tractor is in neutral and the parking brake is on, so when you get up, it doesn't activate the shutoff. So now in terms of operation of your backhoe, it's super simple. You have one stick for each outrigger to put your outriggers down, and then you have one stick that does your boom down and boom up, and then your boom swing from side to side. Now this stick over here, it puts your arm out and arm in, and then you can also curl your bucket with it. So, like I said, super simple, 4 sticks, 2 for your outriggers, 2 to actually operate the backhoe. Now we're going to switch over to the front and go over the brush grapple. All right, guys, now at the front of the tractor, as you can see, we have our brush grapple all hooked up. We do have 3 different size brush grapples. We have a 48, a 60 as shown, and a 77-inch. So any size tractor that you have, we have a grapple that can go on it. The only thing you do need to add when you're adding a brush grapple to your tractor is the front auxiliary hydraulics, so you have the hydraulic power. A brush grapple is going to be great for picking up logs, ripping up brush, ripping up roots, as you have these nice little scarifier teeth right here, and it's all hydraulically activated, so you're going to do everything from the operator's seat. So now let's cut over, see how you operate your grapple. All right, guys, so now in terms of operation of your brush grapple, it's super simple. Start up your tractor. And then when you add the third function kit that I mentioned for the hydraulic input on the front, we do add these 2 buttons right here that do your hydraulic functions. So with your right side button, you got your grapple open, and with your left side button, you got your grapple closed. And then in terms of lift and tilt, you just use the front end loader system. So in terms of operation, super easy and simple, and that is our brush grapple attachment. All right, guys, now we have gone over our backhoe and our brush grapple attachments for our compact tractors. Again, a big thank you to Richard Wheaton for allowing us to show off these 2 attachments. He's actually the one who recommended we do a video on it. So if anyone has any recommendations on anything they want to see for Walk Around Wednesday, please shoot it our way. If you already have a tractor and you're interested in purchasing some attachments and don't want to break out the cash, don't forget we have 0% financing for up to 24 months on all of our attachments. Any questions on the attachments or financing of attachments, please give our sales department a call. And as always, have a fantastic Wednesday.